Hey, I just wanted to show you how to replace the filter on your VacuFlo FC or Filtered Cyclonic unit. To do that, you're going to first take out the bucket. Most of the time, you're going to need to empty this bucket. So take that and just dump it in the garbage can. And to get to the filter, you'll need to pull down this cyclonic cone that aids in the filtration process. And right above that is where you'll actually find the cartridge filter. To pull the cartridge out, you're going to take this white latch and give it a twist 180 degrees, and that'll allow you to remove the pleated filter. This is a 7-inch filter with this model, but all VacuFlo models can also be upgraded to take a 10-inch filter, which will allow for a little bit longer lifespan. The manufacturer recommends this filter be replaced about once a year, but that's going to vary depend on your usage. When you reinstall a new filter, you're just going to slide it right back up, take that latch, twist it, give that filter a little tug, make sure it's secure. Verify that there's no additional dirt that needs to be removed. Usually there's not. Take your bucket, hook both latches on the clamps, and tighten them at the same time, and you're good to go.